Yo, what's up guys, it's me, Corruption FNF Gaming, and I'm playing some Teardown. Yes, I have the game. So, yeah. It literally just crashed. So, yeah. I have all this stuff. You might see me doing some more Teardown on the channel. If you like Teardown, like and subscribe, because I'm going to be doing way more of it. Anyways, let's get this started. So, I'm going to be trying to outrun the super flat world. Yeah. It's like impossible, but it crashed before I was testing this. But it seems like it could work. I have the booster on. Yeah, but I have a better idea. So, you know how we have these things? We have vehicle boosters too, so, yeah. So, now this should be getting me lots more speed, and yep, it is. Come on, I think the boosters messed it up. Boosters are definitely messing this up. Something's wrong with these boosters. That one messed it up. Probably messed it up. Keep going. This way. This. As soon as I was able to get out, it crashed me. So, yeah. This game crashed a lot. That game got crashed. Okay, I think I broke the boosters. That's okay though. Oh, it's in there. Seems like it's fixed. Oh. Seems way better. I might be able to get the crash somewhere before than this one. Use Steam crashes. I might see if OBS crashes. So you might just see OBS. Come on, car. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, come on, let's go. Okay. Just put this booster fast. The vehicle booster makes it go really fast. But I'm pretty sure it's possible to make it out this map. Look how fast my roads are going. It literally looks like I'm about to go out the map. Oh my god. Oh my. I need to do experiments on this game. I might become a teardown gamer instead of Roblox. But I do Roblox, so if you like Roblox, like, subscribe. Anyways, let's keep going. And can somebody link a video how to edit? I still don't know how to. If someone links it in the description, I can probably be able to make better videos for you. When you like and subscribe, that makes me happy and I make better videos. And when I make better videos, that makes me happy. So yeah. Probably later. Oh, no, great. Yep, I know. Find a new vehicle! How about no? Oh. They're probably like, it's broken now, you can spawn in a new vehicle. Real teardown person, you would be like, keep driving, because I can keep driving. Oh my god, it's gonna be hard to get this out. Still drive though. It's about drive, it's about power. You know. Because I'm literally driving, so it's literally about drive. Wee. Help me, please. Oh, come on. Okay, maybe I will spawn in a new vehicle. And this time I will spawn a bunch of things on it. Just so I can make it to the end. Sort of new to this game, so yeah. Someone's about to say in like the comments, what is this game? It's called Teardown. Literally called Teardown. It's literally the title. Okay. Whoa, that is fast. Oh my god. Bruh, it's so hard to drive now. Bruh. They make it so hard to drive. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my god. What? Stop. Oh my god, now I'm stuck. And if you're coming back to your channel, there's so much subscribe. I don't know how to end this video. I might need to get up with this car. I need this car to calm down. Probably like, why did you stop? You might know what. So annoying. Okay, that might fix our course up a bit. Oh. There goes the game crashing. The video's still up. Yep. Oh my god. It literally crashed. The game crashed a lot. Let me just get back into it. Where is it? Okay, there it is. There. Okay, that literally crashed my game though. It's funny. Let's go get to this. Let's see where I'm at. Okay, this is my nice castle. So let's change what I said. This is a nice castle, but soon it will be perished of existence. And you might notice my sledgehammer. And they're like, that's not my sledgehammer. It's a mod. Literally, all you have to do is go to the Steam workshop and upgrade the area. But search if you have teardown and you don't have that and you want it. So if you want this, so what am I even saying? So if you want this, go to the Steam workshop and find the area where it is in, and you'll find this area where I think there's like mods for games, and then search up teardown, Teardown, W and no spaces, and you'll find some, and then you'll do stuff. I'm literally so forgetful. Okay, so like I was saying, I'm gonna go destroy this. This is gonna be not like okay. So yeah. So yeah. I do this. That's gonna be the end of the video. So, it's like the explosion might, even though my FPS is gonna go down insanely. Get ready for this, guys. 3, 2, 1. Yes, completely fine. And it seems like it's really fire. But that's going to be all for this video. Like and subscribe and have a great day. Bye, guys.